are using the USB portal, please now ensure that you power out your device. Thank you. We're on our final approach now into Cork. Please ensure that the tables are clipped in front. If you seat back fully upright with the armrest down and the window blinds opened. Please take note of the exit nearest to you, bearing in mind it may be behind you. Gentlemen, you're all very welcome to Cork. Please bear with us. Do remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. The captain has switched off the overhead seatbelt sign and the doors have been opened. Before you leave us this evening, please ensure that you have all of your personal belongings with you. Please check the overhead bins and the floor area around your seats. Please do be careful when opening the bins, as items may have become dislodged and they may fall out and cause an injury to you or to a fellow passenger. On behalf of the Captain John Bean, the First Officer Roy Dorgan and the entire crew, it's been our pleasure looking after you this evening. We do hope that you had a pleasant journey and we look forward to seeing you many times in the future. Slán go fóill, good evening and thank you for your custom. For those of you who require bus or taxi services, they are available from outside the arrivals building, and our uniformed ground colleagues will be on hand to answer any queries you may have. cabin crew disarm the doors for arrival and cross-check.